In this video, we're going to show how you can represent different parts of a ratio as fractions. First, let's look at this block. We can represent different parts of this block mathematically. We can say the ratio of red to blue parts is 4 to 10. We can simplify the ratio by dividing 4 and 10 by 2, giving us 2 to 5. We can also represent the different parts as fractions of the whole. In this block, there are 14 sections. What fraction represents red? What fraction represents blue? Since there are 4 red sections, the fraction is 4 out of 14. Since there are 10 blue sections, the fraction for blue is 10 out of 14. Pause and have a go yourself. Since cars was said first, the 5 represents cars. The total number of parts is 12. Therefore, the fraction of cars is 5 out of 12. Pause and try this question. The sum of all parts is 16. Therefore, the fractions for each part is 4 out of 16 and 7 out of 16 and 5 out of 16. To summarize, to find the fraction of a part in a ratio, find the sum of the parts first. The fraction will be the part over the sum. Now let's think about another way of representing parts of a whole. We know we can represent it as a fraction. How about a percentage? For example, represent each part of the ratio 3 to 2 as a percentage. We start by doing the same process for finding the fraction, then turn the fraction into a percentage. To change a fraction into a percentage, we divide the numerator by the denominator, then multiply the answer by 100. First, let's find the fractions. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Therefore, the fractions are 3 over 5 and 2 over 5. To change the fractions into percentages, we first divide. Using the bus stop method, 0 5s fit into 3, so we carry it over to the next digit, which is after the decimal point. Now we divide 30 by 5, which equals to 6. 3 over 5 equals to 0.6. Lastly, we multiply the decimal 0.6 by 100, giving us 60%. Repeating the process for 2 over 5, we get 0.4. Multiplied by 100 gives us the percentage of 40%. Pause and have a go. To summarize, when changing ratios into percentages, find the ratios as fractions, divide the numerator by the denominator, then finally multiply the final answer by 100.